I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Stash Finder in Meteor Client, Donutsmp Easy Guide. First, open Meteor Client and navigate to the Mods menu. Toggle the Stash Finder on and assign a hotkey for quick scans. Set search radius and sensitivity to match server rules. Save settings and test in a safe area to avoid griefing. Remember to respect claims and server policies while locating stashes. Open your hotkey and trigger the Stash Finder to begin scanning. Follow the directional marker and distance readout to narrow down the location. Move slowly and do short scans to avoid missing buried items. Use filters to exclude certain block types or entities to reduce noise. If you hit a claimed area, back off and respect ownership to keep the server community friendly and avoid conflicts. For stealthy searches, crouch and perform short scans to minimize detection. Mark tentative locations on your map with waypoints to compare successive readings. Use teammate positions to triangulate a stash more quickly and reduce digging time. Tweak sensitivity and radius for different biomes to avoid interference. Keep tools ready and dig carefully to preserve server builds and avoid accidentally breaking other players' property while recovering stash items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.